Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making my favourite mascarpone cream frosting recipe. It's extremely light, it tastes gorgeous, and it pipes really well. So let's start with some double cream. A little cornflour to stabilise the cream, and 70 grams of icing sugar, all sieved into the double cream. Then I'm going to give it a good whisk until it's quite firm. Not too stiff because I'm going to mix it a little bit more once I get the mascarpone in, and I don't want to over whisk this. Now the mascarpone needs to be quite soft, so I've worked it a bit with a fork before adding it. That makes it much easier to mix into the cream. Then we need a liqueur of your own choice. I've got amaretto here, but you can use rum, you can use brandy to give it a great flavour. You can even use vanilla. Give it a good whisk now to make sure they're blended well together and the whole mixture is light and fluffy. And that's it. All ready to go on the cupcakes. The full recipe is in the description below if you'd like to try it. Thanks for joining me today. It's always great to have your support. Take care, have a good week, and I'll catch you soon.